In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix a Roblox error code 264. So, if ever you encounter a problem like this, you are already playing a game, please shut down to the other game and try again. That is error code 264. So, all you have to do is to simply follow these two very easy steps. First, you just have to simply restart your device. So, one of the reasons why you encounter this problem is maybe there's something wrong or there's something running in your device that you need to exit or end. So to do that, you just have to simply restart your device. And then once done, you can go back to Roblox and see if this problem is fixed. If not, then proceed to the next step, and that is to log out your Roblox account from other device. To do that, open your Roblox, go to settings, and then once you're here, you just have to simply go to security. And then under security, there you can see the places or, of course, the time and date, and yes, the place where you log in your Roblox account. So if you see any of suspicious, activity here, you just have to simply click this arrow here and then log out. Also, make sure you can simply click this log out of all other sessions. And then once done, go back to your Roblox. So I really hope that after following any of this method, it can somehow fix the problem error code 264. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.